Okay, we're going to do the Pacific Sparkling Grapefruit Seltzer. They're from Eugene, Oregon. 5% alcohol, of course, like most of these are. Kind of a cool little camp scenery there.
That's what we're going to be doing all week.
Oh, yes. But, yeah. Give it a shot.
Whoa, yes. Oh. Wish I had this in a stainless cup. Oh, it smells good.
Yeah, it does. Upon cracking it open, you can smell it.
Yeah, strong, very fresh, strong. Almost like a ruby grapefruit. Oh, man. Clear, though. Totally clear.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't get over that aroma. It's so much more. Because we've had grapefruit seltzers before.
Yeah, yeah.
And this one, like the White Claw and other ones, this one is so pronounced.
Yeah.
And natural tasting.
Yeah, it's not like that fake powdery
This
shit.
is, man, just the nose is good. It's dry.
Very carbonated and dry. But the thing is, you got that earthy, natural flavor to it. It's not that fake, strong bullshit.
Yeah,
so.
I guess it's been a while since I've had a seltzer.
Yeah.
Because I kind of forgotten how dry they are.
Smells way more than the flavor.
I thought it would be almost sweet. Like I was expecting, I don't know. I mean, it smells like fresh grapefruit juice sweetened, you know?
Yeah. This is dry.
God damn, it smells good.
I mean, it tastes good.
Oh, yes, it does. Oh, man, the flavor's there, though. The flavor does linger, kind of, especially after the second drink. You kind of get a little of it carries on.
It still fades kind of quick, though. But...
Oh, man, it's good. How dry it is, though, and with that real pronounced grapefruit, citrus kind of quality to it, it would be great with richer seafoods and fatty, buttery types of things.
Yeah.
You know, like
heavy garlic stuff, too.
I'm sure, you know, your initial reaction would be to pair this with, like, grilled things and salmon and summery stuff and salads and things, but I see it going, like, with a, you know, real rich traditional beurre blanc, except this goes in instead of wine with the butter and like over some seared scallops and something real rich and buttery and Copper River salmon seared off. Or, oh, man.
I'm thinking more, this would go really good with like some chilies and stuff, like some heartier soup type of things. And,
especially if it was kind of like a white bean sort of thing or something would be good. With some of the sweeter sushis, like some sweet eel or some fatty tuna or some elephant or some salmon skin roll with the smoked salmon or something.
Oh, yeah. That's a good call.
Nice wasabi, you know, nice and hot.
Yeah,
and
kinda,
get that,
that nose thing and then the carbonation.
Because this isn't going to take a whole lot of flavor away from that. It'll almost complement it because it's real crisp and dry. And that grapefruit goes with any kind of seafood.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
Fucking A, man. These guys are, this is a winner.
Any sort of chocolate dessert, too.
Something rich and fatty again, though, and creamy, like a mousse, maybe.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
Or some chocolate buttercream, or some real rich, kind of softer truffles or something.
Yeah, there you go. No shit.
Rolled in some bittersweet cocoa. Plus, the camp scene is...
Oh, yeah. I like the little sign there. It says breweries, not factories.
Yeah, no, I saw that. Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.